Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen. In this lecture, we are going to study about making the pie charts with different categorical values. So in the first column, you see that there are different number of sales over the 12 months by different person, and the third column shows the sex of the salesman or the person, and the fourth column shows the sales area. So we have either male or female salesman from either London or New York. So in order to draw the pie chart, we go to the graph. Then we go down to the pie chart option. A description also appears. Pie chart compares the proportion of data in each category. We click on the pie chart and we select the chart values from the table. Suppose we want to find out how males or females are doing in terms of the sale. So here we choose the categorical value as sex and summary variable as a number of sales. We can choose the chart title from the label menu and we can select whether we want to slice the label in terms of percentage, frequency or category name. Here I chose all of them. Then for now, leaving all as it is, we click on OK button. Finally, here we see the pie chart of sex in terms of the category male and female. We see that 156 male, that means 44.3% of the sales is due to male and 55.7% of the sales is due to female. Now I can change the size of this pie chart as well. For that, I have to right click the chart and go to the graph option. You can see the pie diameter or you can custom change the diameter. Another important thing that you can do is you can just separate these slices from each other. For that, you have to right click the graph and you have to click edit pie. Then you have to click the explode tab. Finally, you have to click the explode slice option and leaving all the things same, we can click the OK button. Here we see that the pie chart is separated. Now let's draw the pie chart with the sales niche or sales location option. For that, the process is the same. We go to the graph and we go to the pie chart, click the pie chart, and instead of the sex as a categorical value, we choose sales niche. And now leaving all the things same, we click the OK button. Finally, we see the pie chart of sales by the location. Here we see that total of 39.2% of the sales is in London and 60.8% of the total sales is in New York. Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, agile and scrum, kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.